The Rimini Smart Path methodology starts with support. Rimini Street is the leading global third-party support provider for Oracle, SAP, and VMware, and we support many other software products. With Rimini Support, we replace software vendor annual support with Rimini Street's award-winning support program, providing significant savings in support costs and better, ultra-responsive service directly from expert engineers, without any required upgrades or forced migrations for up to 15 years or more. Rimini Support clients can save up to 90% on their total software maintenance costs, freeing up funds and resources for their innovation initiatives. Rimini Support includes a broader scope of capabilities than you may be used to, including support for customizations, tax, legal, and regulatory updates delivered for over 100 countries to help ensure compliance, and no required expensive upgrades to retain full support on your existing releases. What sets our service delivery apart? It starts with our people. We recruit from the top 5% of talent in each geography. Our engineers have a wealth of experience, often with backgrounds in the industries and functions they support. Our global support teams include highly expert primary support engineers with an average of more than 20 years of experience, with teams located in 18 countries around the world and providing support 24/7 in 8 languages. Our clients rate our support service 4.9 out of 5 based on thousands of case resolution surveys that rate us across 7 aspects of our service delivery. Our service level agreements, or SLAs, are different from what you might receive from other providers. First, we guarantee a 10-minute initial response time for critical issues, and our historical average response time is less than 2 minutes. And that's not just an acknowledgement of your ticket. It's direct engagement with an experienced engineer to get cracking on resolving the issue. Second, our case update communications SLA ensures that you know the progress of every case, keeping you informed every step of the way. Our investments in global support infrastructure and systems are also unique. For example, we have developed proprietary AI technologies to enhance our service delivery. One patented application matches cases to the right engineers in seconds, based on over 35 vectors about the client, about the case, and about our engineers. That application has improved our own case resolution times by 23%. Another application uses AI to assess cases in progress to find ones that might need additional resources and attention. It's a way to escalate cases before our clients think about it. With mission-critical systems, every second counts, so we count seconds. The Rimini support team is at the ready around the world and around the clock to resolve issues and keep your software and your people working. One last thing. We often get asked by our clients if we can support additional enterprise software, and the answer is yes. With a program we call Rimini Custom, we can expand our support coverage to other software based on our clients' needs, so you can get access to the benefits of our award-winning support for more of your enterprise software. Rimini Support has saved our clients an estimated $10 billion to date, while giving them freedom to pursue a business-driven roadmap and self-fund innovation for growth and competitive advantage.